Hi viewers! I know a lot of you saw my recent YouTube short where I went to a specialist supplier of exotic hardwoods and said to you that I'd be turning those hardwoods into silver testing slides. Well, here they are in front of you. I've got around to making a few. Already 2 of them are sold on pre-order. Let's start with this amazique. Now, I just spent about 20 minutes going through my camera settings to see if I could actually get them to show up the natural colour. I've even tried blocking out some of the sunlight, and without a lot of success, but there will be photographs of them on eBay, which will probably be more natural than this video. So yeah, the amazique, also known as Wenge. Gorgeous colour. It's kind of a yellowy brown, but has got very distinct stripes, as you can see, with the blacks in it. Very pretty wood, not very pleasant to work with. Well, it wasn't too bad. And all these exotics I have branded on the inside, so you get to enjoy the beauty of the wood. So that's the amazique. And going on to one that has already sold, Panga. This wasn't particularly nice to work with, very splintery, but gorgeous dark colour, and obviously I select nice pieces for the back to give you the most attractive back on them. And that's the side detail. There you go, caramel colours. And the inside, and of course the branding on the inside. Now I think this one will be popular because it's quite striking, quite unusual. Coconut, or also known as red palm. It isn't quite as red as it's looking on my screen here. It's more kind of an orangey colour. But yeah, so the coconut, yeah, very unpleasant to work with, very splintery, but very, very striking indeed. And onto one of my favourites, which I have made in the past, very limited run of these in Wenge, who some might also known as Wenge. I suppose if Sapili is pronounced Sapili, then Wenge should be pronounced Wenge. But I've always known it as Wenge. Very dark, chocolatey brown. Actually quite a pleasant aroma when you work with it. Very open kind of grain. And that's one thing I always like to show on my slides, is the grain. I don't like to have this high glossed over finish, which could be, you know, some artificial material. I want you to see that this is actually solid wood. So there's the gorgeous Wenge, and very hard to see the branding on this one because it's so dark, but it is there on the inside. And on to the one I was looking forward to, which is Leopard wood, which I believe is from the United States actually. Yeah, very striking and unusual grain. Yeah, another one that wasn't very pleasant to work with. Very difficult, because it doesn't matter which way you plane it, the grain kind of lifts up, so it needs masses and masses of sanding to get anywhere near a half decent finish. But there you go, you can see the grain there. Very unusual leopard wood, and of course with the branding on the inside. Now there are still some of my stock slides available in the UK and in the US. If you're in the United States, my distributor has now got them listed, and I'll put links down in the description. He's only put them up yesterday and he's already sold one, so when they're gone, they're gone. You know, like the rest of the exotic hardwood slides, you know, you get very few slides out of those pieces of lumber that I showed in my short. So when they're gone, they will be gone. This is an olive ash, which is still available here in the UK, and obviously that one is branded on the inside. So for those of you who wanted to see them in action, let's run a Silver Eagle, and nice slow slide, and a Morgan Dollar, again nice slow slide, Scottsdale bar. Oh, it's a bit too fast. Yeah, you're right, it's a fake Scottsdale bar, featured in many videos. I haven't done anything more with this one, but it is made from brass, which is why it has a very slight reaction. The Austrian Thaler, which again is fake, unlike the real one, 833 silver. Nice slow slide, and 5 pesos Mexican, and obviously some of these fakes are magnetic, and do try and push them up rather than yank them off. And obviously some are brass, some are probably like nickel or pewter or white metal. I've covered them all in many videos over the years, and of course now with silver being up as high as it is, I suspect the counterfeits are getting even better, but I'll cover that in another video. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. I was going to say seeing my wood, but I know you'll all take the piss out of me for that. So my exotic woods, exotic woods like the Panga, and catch you all in the next one, where I will have my coffee cup back, I suspect. Just a quick one for you today. Thanks for watching. Bye.